Good afternoon, YouTube. Been a little late today. Oh, been a pretty progressive day today. Got leaps and bounds here. Got my motor mounted, transmission mounted. Fabbed up me some motor mount brackets with the Silverado / Mercedes also. Bolted them together first, then I put a little flux wire welding on it. Ain't no welder, but they're together and they're up and holding up. That thing don't look too bad, but I'm definitely going to have to either put another intake on that thing, an alternator situation, or a big hole in the hood. I'm a lean towards the intake. But yeah, that's at least it's mounted in there, and they even got 6 bolts in the factory transmission mount. I'm gonna show you guys that. That's a pretty neat little job there. There it is. I used a factory mount. Got 6 bolts in it. Had to drill 1 hole. Had to use make me a couple shims to drop the mount down a little bit, but it worked up pretty good. Bolted all 6 bolts up. That's one thing I like about the Mercedes. They got 6 bolts on each side there, and had to cut off 1 of them. But she's in there, and you can see she's tight, but I mean, she got a little bit of room. But yeah, she's in there. Been a pretty progressive day today. Now I guess my project would be, this is a factory 6-cylinder radiator mount right here. This, I do believe the factory radiator will work. I'm gonna try it to anyway. I don't know. My next project's gonna be this daggone manifold over here. I don't know how I'm gonna tackle that yet. I've got a couple ideas, but got to cut and carve, I guess, on the manifold to start with, and might end up trying to get me some headers. I don't know what headers will actually work. I seen one on YouTube that F-body. He used an F-body and cut it loose from the base of where the header mount's at, and slid it over to the driver's side some, and then welded it back up. I don't know if I'll do that, but that's a good looking old mount there. I mean, hell, it's factory Silverado mount cut up. I put some old flat bar there, 3 pieces of it, and I bolted it right down to the Mercedes 6-cylinder motor mount. Worked pretty good, I think, anyway. I mean, aggravating getting it off and on and making it, but yeah, everything's in there, and it's mounted up and holding on its own right there, and I mean, it's a full bolt down in there. You can look and see she's loaded. I might try to do something with that alternator. Put it over here on the passenger side, since I got so much room over here. Put it over there somehow. Mount it over there. I might end up having to go with a F-body water pump and stuff. I don't know. It's I think the intake would be the best. Buy a lower intake, smaller intake. But she's bolted up in there. That's a very good weekend for me. I'm gonna leave 1 day here. I've been out here since early. All kinds of room on this side over here. All kinds of room. All right, guys. I just figured I'd show you some fabricating old mounts and transmission mount there, getting them working this old car. Y'all have a good evening.